me tell you something about Amadot. You think that men are brave. Men are not brave. There's no man that's going to come and say, yeah, come, I'm going to date you. And I don't know, baby, I'm going to take care of you. Because, so now you have to walk into a room. And as I said, you know I'm hot. You walk into a room, there's a bunch of men that any other day, if it wasn't for this shooting, any of them would have taken me, married me, dated me, made me go around the world. But now when they see, it's all over Google. She's been shot. She's been shot. This. She's a snitch. She's this. She's this. That time, most of them are rich politicians, businessmen. They've also had to do bad things. But maybe they don't kill people. Then after that, you leave that room. Once they hear your name, your self-esteem again. Take it down. Forgetting food to cut. This is what happens behind closed doors. Ulle. Why? Why kisaswa? Ubona abanye abangani bakho umuntu abayabhizi bayalevelisha before benihamba on the same level. Babona abangani bakho nama enemies wakho. Futhi abanye badla ngami. Ubuyele futhi this. That time, most of them are rich politicians, businessmen. They've also had to do bad things. But maybe they don't kill people. Take it down. Forgetting food to cut. This is what happens behind closed doors. Ulle. Ubuza mudimu. Why? Why kisaswa he? Ubona abanye abangani bakho umuntu abayabhizi bayalevelisha before benihamba on the same level. Babona abangani bakho nama enemies wakho. Futhi abanye badla ngami. Ubuyele futhi ekhaya. Khali. Umntwana wakho athi, mommy, I want you to, can I buy this? Mommy, why can't I go to school? Because you can't go to school because we don't know who's going to follow you every time you go to school. So you're not going to have a matric dance, my baby. You're not going to be able to go on a date and wear a suit. You are not going to be able to go into a normal family without them thinking that their daughter is going to be at risk. You do not choose a lifestyle. And this is another thing that these people have to learn. First of all, my dad, was a millionaire. If you know about Black Like Me and Principal Products, if you ask anybody, I was born into money. My dad died. We suffered a little bit, but by the time when I was 18, I inherited money. I dated kids that came from the same background as I did. Went to schools. We lived in the suburbs. I dated these guys. So it was my life. I was born like this. Yes, you go Kwame, everybody else. If you ask anybody about me, and people, even in Lokshini, abantu bajola namaginza, abantu bajola abantu that rob or whatever. Most of the time, as women, we don't ask too many questions because manje, I'm gonna ask you. I'd be at the Mazanga answering questions. I didn't sit and ask my ex every time who wins like, oh, did you come back? Did you go and kill someone? No. So I will continue to live a luxurious life if it means that I have to give it to myself. I definitely have changed a lot from this. My life is not about handbags anymore because I would have died and left my son with nothing. So I'm more about creating a legacy. It's not like I can't buy handbags, I can't buy this. Yeah, okay, now, not really, not like before. But I've learned that you can still wear a certain Zara outfit or you can wear a certain type of outfit and still look nice. And if I get
Shem bazala bami, so this is so sad. This is so sad. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people, they were saying ukwatela ukuthi amagutsumela, they don't want to sponsor your life anymore. But this is so sad, especially the part yomntwana. Umntwana manje akasakwazi ukuba nomntwana just because of ama decision kamama or just because who her mother has dated. We know guys ukuthi uKate Matlala is very dangerous and uTebogo phela manje impilo yakhe isengcupheni. And after what Kat did to a friend Tebuo, and we know what he wanted Tebuo, but he couldn't do that. You understand? Obviously, impilo mntana yakhe ayisekho safe. Even though naye manje usafuna amagutsumela, bonke labantu laba my sister banayo nje iskill sokubulala kubo, banayo nje ithambonyana or inhliziyonyana yokuthi it's either my way or the highway. But I just feel sad for uTebogo, yona lie. I feel sad for mntanakhe, I feel sad for ifamily. Like, it's so sad ukuthi ungakwazi ukuhamba free in your own country just because there's someone ophilayo out there ongakususa noma kunini. There's someone olangazelela impilo yakho. It's so sad, Shem. I feel sorry. I feel like engathi angathola imali ahambe mhlawumbe ehlala e-States aqale kabusha because akukho mnandi ukuthi uzohlala uthukile. Akukho mnandi ukuthi mawuhamba you don't know who's watching you, who's following you, and you do not know even mawulala ukuthi kusasa ungavuka kwenzakaleni. It's so sad and painful, guys. I do not want to lie. I feel sorry for her. Yes, I don't care, and I don't care. I don't understand why asafuna amagutsumela, but that is the lifestyle that they chose for themselves, and they feel like impilo yabo should be around and involve nalabantu laba politicians. They feel like umuntu indoda enemali yiyo ezokunika a better life, yiyo ezokutravelisa the world njengoba asho. Guys, this is so sad. I hope abantwana abancane who they envy for this lifestyle, they can see ukuthi this is a not easy one, because uKate vele bekashadile. I do not know why girl will date a married man, kanti he was not just married, he was married and dangerous, and umfazi wakhe seems like she understood ama-business umuntu wakhe, because nangekhothi uhamba naye uyamseka and engathi kule nto they were both in it. You understand? So guys, whenever you think of dating, I don't know magutsumela or these people, these dangerous people or these politicians, especially married men, ucabanga the dark side of it. I think this thing Tebogo should be a lesson to younger kids or even other ladies who are in this thing of dating abantu who are rich and moneyed. You don't know the money we are putting. You're just happy to muntu uvuksena kunike 250,000 to go to take uvuksa sakuthenga lipendle. You do not understand the money we are. You have never worked hard for the money. You don't know ukuthi lo muntu uyenzani. You don't even know ukuthi umsebenzi walo muntu emhlabeni yini. Akana company or kule company yani security company, but inemali eningi, involve nabantu abaphezulu. You don't know uyenzani, but when you enjoy that man, you understand, that is the bad side or the sad side or the dangerous side of dating labantu laba abathi banemali kemagutsumela, because mawuhlukana nabo you don't know ukuthi uyoba yi-psyche efikaphi. But bazami zitho, I don't wanna lie, I feel sorry for girl, more especially for ifamily yakhe and abantu around yena, just because nami if mntanami bengihamba nomntanakhe, I wouldn't be comfortable ukuthi umntanami abe nomntanakhe, or I will stop umntanami ukuthi hambe nomntanakhe just because for his safety umntanami. Guys, sometimes we make decisions esingazifuni mara ekugcineni kumele siprotect abantu esibathandayo, you get. So ngiyamthola ukuthi ubuyaphi. Bazami zitho, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.